I've lost 25 pounds, 3.5 inches from my waist.
And I've lost 20 pounds since the start.
The other day, somebody saw me and they say that you're going like this. And I'm like, I've lost 3 or 4 inches off of each.
Off your waist and off your hips.
Mhm.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
incredible.
5 inches off my waist and 27 pounds.
30 pounds and 5.5 inches.
I lost 20 pounds and 3 inches on my waist.
All right.
I lost 27 pounds in 10 weeks, 5 inches off my waist. I saw my GP. He said, listen, you can get off metformin.
I'm so thrilled. The end of 10 weeks, I've lost 30 pounds.
I have lost over 25 pounds.
3.25 inches on my waist and 2.5 inches on my hips.
At this point, I've lost 26 pounds. I had to actually drill a hole in my belt because it didn't fit anymore.
I lost a total of about 25 pounds. I also stopped my blood pressure medicine.
Altogether, right now, I've lost 40 pounds.
You paint very good pictures with your words, like you're very real, like I got it, unlike anything I've ever done before. My body is responding to it. I feel younger. My brain works more effectively. Like, it's insane. I love it.
I really wanted to incorporate a better way of eating, lose some inches, and feel good every day. And Laurell helped me achieve that, and I'm so thankful for her.
It's going to blow your mind. By being able to eat what I can eat, and as much as I want to, I'm satiated. I don't feel like I'm depriving my body at all, and I'm still losing weight. It's going to be the easiest thing for people.
I would tell them that what they think they know, they don't know. I mean, it's totally worth it. And to go week by week and ease your way in made it so easy. I feel better. I sleep better. More energy, less brain fog. I don't really have any brain fog anymore. It was bad.
I took her Body Up program a couple years ago, and before that I was just yo-yoing, and I just wasn't knowing what foods to eat. I didn't understand. I learned all of that from Laurell, and now eating healthy is so easy. It has become part of my life, and if you're considering taking her program, I highly encourage you.
Motivating, easy to follow, but it's also not just about dieting. It's about making life changes. So if you'd like to learn how to make life changes today, sign up for Body Up.
I'm Dr. Dana Morocco. I'm an educational psychologist. I was excited about it because I only try weight loss programs that combined mind and body, that combined the mental with the physical, and she really nailed that. I do happen to be an expert in theories of learning and motivation. To make lasting change, you have to make small incremental changes and reinforce them with repetition. A+ on that one.
You know what? I feel like I found the golden ticket.
Thanks, Laurell.
Thank you, Laurell. You're the best.
Just do it. This is going to change your life forever.